Socializing 64. I had a thought which I wanted to share. I was pondering over the bad characteristic of stubbornness, and its negative effects on the one who possesses it, and those around them. Even though this characteristic can lead to many problems, only a major one will be discussed. Some adopt stubbornness in worldly matters, and as a result they do not change their character for the better. Instead, they remain steadfast on their attitude, believing this is somehow a sign of their great strength and wisdom. Steadfastness in matters of faith is a praiseworthy attitude, but in most worldly matters it is only called stubbornness, which is blameworthy. Unfortunately, some believe if they change their attitude it demonstrates weakness, or it shows that they are admitting their fault, and because of this, they stubbornly fail to change for the better. Adults behave like immature children by believing that if they change their behavior, it means they have lost, while others who remain steadfast on their attitude have won. This is simply childish. In reality, an intelligent person will remain steadfast on matters of faith, but in worldly matters they will change their attitude, as long as it is not sinful, in order to make their life easier. So changing to improve one's life is not a sign of weakness, it is in fact a sign of intelligence. In many cases, a person refuses to change their attitude and expects others in their life to change theirs, such as their relatives. But what often occurs is that due to stubbornness, all remain in the same state, which only leads to regular disagreements and arguments. A wise person understands that if the people around them do not change for the better, then they should. This change will improve the quality of their life and their relationship with others, which is much better than going around in circular arguments with people. This positive attitude will eventually cause others to respect them, as it takes real strength to change one's character for the better. Those who remain stubborn will always find something to be annoyed about, which will remove peace from their life. This will cause further difficulties in all aspects of their life, such as their mental health. But those who adapt and change for the better will always move from one station of peace to another. If one achieves this peace, does it really matter if others believe they only changed because they were wrong? To conclude, to remain steadfast on the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is praiseworthy. But in worldly matters and in cases where no sin is committed, a person should learn to adapt and change their attitude so that they find some peace in this world.